How to add photo widget on iPhone. Go to your phone. Open Photos. Click on Select. Select the photos. Click on three dots at the bottom. Select Add to Album. Here click on New Album and write the name for album. Click on Save. Album is created on iPhone. Click on Screen. Click on plus at the top. A screen will open in front of you. Here search for photos and click on it. Photos will appear in front of you. Click on Add Widget. Click anywhere on screen. Now click on that widget. See the photos. Now again click on Add Widget again. Select Edit Widget. Now click on Favorites. Here select the album you created. And now you can see widget is added successfully. If you want to edit another widget, follow these steps. Now again click on your screen and search Photos. And select Photos from screen. Did not matter large or small, these are directly added to your screen. That is how you can add photo widget on iPhone. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.